To more platforms, this deserve to be seen by everyone. Let's all watch Sweethearts by January 11. Always and forever be proud of you, Alexa and KD, and more power of you. Love you so much. Ayon sa karamihan, congrats. Makikita nila ang peak cycling shorts mo. Yeah. And sa wakas, mapapanood na nga ang Toscoin excited ang mga sweethearts in the most bitin yet satisfying show I've ever seen. Proud of you. Kahit bitin pero nakakatuwa naman talaga. Ready na ang mga sweetheart. Panoorin by January 11. Congrats. At sa IG story ni KD, kakaloka. Gigil na gigil sa pisngi ni Alexa and also Alexa. Grabe. At patuloy naman ang mga fandom ng Kaiji fans pambabash kay Alexa sa post ni Qualards. Dito ay kung saan ay proud siya kay KD and always pinagtanggol niya ang kanyang rumored girlfriend na si Alexa. Ayon nga kay KD, I cannot allow this fandom bash to my person I love. KD Estrada hindi nakatiis na nga ng pambabash kay Alexa sa mga supporter ng dati niyang ship to fandom Kaiji. Sana nga matigil na ang issue dahil 2 years na nakalipas, and masasabi ko lang is very consistent from watching PBB, and I've come to know him because he speak the truth and means what he says. Go Elon Kidi, proud kami sa'yo. And yung gusto namin sa'yo na talagang mula noon since PBB hanggang ngayon, talagang pinagtanggol mo si Alexa, minahal mo. That's a true man, brave. And the real man ended. Salute you, KD, for being a brave man and speak up. I love how the fight for Alexa Ilacad has been a green flag.